Today we will look at how to connect Google Sheet to AV mapping. So the first step is you want to make sure you have a Google Sheet and you want to have the first row with the three column names: video link, video name, and plot summary. And then you want to add your video link, name, and summary on the following rows 2, 3, 4, and so on. So here we have three examples, and you want to make sure that the links are from YouTube. So we have three cat videos, and now go back to Zapier and search AV mapping. Go down and you can pick Google Sheet and connect the two apps. So now you want to set up your Google Sheet. Choose the event as the first option, new or updated spreadsheet row. And you want to connect your Google Sheet or Google Drive account. And now you will select the spreadsheet that you just created. And here we have two sheets in the bottom. So you want to make sure that you select the correct one. And for the column section, you can leave it blank. Continue. And now click Test the Trigger. And now you can choose one of the three examples we have just to test the Zap. So we will go with test 1, which is the first row with the details here. Continue. And now you want to set up your AV mapping settings. So for event, choose the new video. And connect your AV mapping account with your AV mapping login and password. So here for video link, of course, you want to select your column that has the video links. And the same for video name and plot summary. Here. Now that you're done, click continue. And we will test what we chose earlier, which is the first row, to send the video to AV mapping. So test. Okay, so now you can see the green arrow here. And now you can click publish and the Zap will go live. Okay, now it says your Zap is on. So what you want to do is transfer the exiting data so that your other rows also get transferred. And here, if you're curious, if you want to check your test, the first row before transferring, then you can go to AV mapping, log into your account, and click on film management. Go to video library. And this was the first video that we had. So it is already connected to AV mapping and you can just click on it to start analyzing. And of course, here you can input your licensing conditions, your preferences for the music and whatnot. But now let's go back and we want to make sure that we transfer all of the videos. So select all of them. And next. And send the data. So you can check the progress of your transfer. Yep, and now you can see that all three rows are transferred, and now you can go back to AV mapping to check them. So you can go back. And here we are. We have the first video here, the second video here, and the third video here. So again, you can just click on any of them and start analyzing.